skydiving, bumper cars, surfing, Broadway shows, and unlimited food, all happening in the middle of the sea. Here are 15 reasons why Royal Caribbean is the ultimate ideal vacation. So let's go. If you are looking for the ultimate holiday, the perfect mix of thrilling adventures, non-stop entertainment, unlimited food, and peaceful ocean views, all in one place, we've got just the answer. Hi guys, my name is Angelica Wanders, and this is Aileen Wanders, and we create budget travel guides all around the world. On this channel, we share with you our easy-to-follow itineraries and also our costs and expenses in every trip. So if you want to travel around the world in the easiest and most affordable way possible, then hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, because we make videos just for you. Now, the reason we chose Royal Caribbean is because they've been voted the best cruise line for 22 years in a row. So we hopped onto a 3-night Ovation of the Seas cruise from Singapore to Malaysia to experience this award-winning cruise line for ourselves. And today, we're sharing with you our top 15 favorite things to do on board to help you plan the best vacation ever. And make sure to stick around until the end, because later, we'll be revealing how much this cruise actually costs. So let's go ahead and start the countdown off at number 15. Enjoy a premium staycation at sea. Ever dreamed of a floating staycation that actually travels the world with you? That's exactly what this feels like. Boarding the Ovation of the Seas was like checking into a premium hotel, except this one actually sails. The check-in process was at Pier 2 of the Marina Bay Cruise Center in Singapore, and it was super smooth and easy. We just showed our passports and booking confirmation. They handed us our sea pass cards, and before we knew it, boom, we were on board our very own floating staycation. We stayed in the ocean view stateroom with a large balcony, and it was everything you'd want in a cozy getaway. A plush, comfy bed, an HD TV, a huge couch, a work desk, toiletries, a mini fridge, but our favorite part was that large private balcony with gorgeous ocean views. It was literally the perfect setup for some me time. Imagine sipping coffee as the sun rises, doing a little morning yoga, editing videos with the sea breeze flowing in, or ending the day with a movie marathon and some pizza. With hotel-level comfort and quality service, this isn't your average cruise. It's a premium staycation that actually moves with you. Number 14. Go country hopping. One of the coolest things about cruising, you get to visit multiple countries without ever unpacking your bags. No checking in and out of hotels, no dragging suitcases between destinations. Just leave your stuff safely in your cabin, step off the ship, and boom, you're in a brand new country. We joined the 3-night Penang cruise, which sails from Singapore to Malaysia and back. And it was the perfect 2-in-1 adventure. When we arrived in Penang, we had the freedom to explore on our own. We wandered through Georgetown's famous street art, took pics with the iconic boy on the motorcycle painting, snacked on local eats like cendol and ice kacang, which are popular Malaysian shaved ice treats, and strolled along Armenian Street, that colorful and artsy street full of charm. And by the end of the day, when our mini day tour was done, we just headed back on board. No rush, no stress. It was like teleporting between destinations, minus all the hassle. Number 13. Try skydiving at sea. Have you guys ever wondered what it's like to skydive without jumping out of a plane? Meet Ripcord by iFly, Royal Caribbean's indoor skydiving simulator. You get to float, spin, and soar right on a cruise ship. It all starts with a quick 5-minute tutorial video. Don't worry, it's so easy that even kids can do it. Then suit up, put on your goggles, and step into that massive vertical wind tunnel. Before you know it, you're flying. You can feel the rush as those powerful air jets lift you up into the air. It's kind of like free falling, but in a totally safe, controlled environment. Plus, you've got a cool instructor guiding you the entire time. Guys, I'm telling you, this is an absolute must. It's insanely fun. And sure, your face might look a little funny in the wind, but it felt like pure freedom. And every guest on the cruise gets a free flight, so why not? Just make sure to book it early because slots fill up fast. Even if you're a total beginner like me, it's an experience you'll never forget. Number 12. Munch on unlimited food all over the ship. Get ready to treat your taste buds because on this cruise, the food never stops. From international flavors to casual bites to fancy multi-course dinners, all included in your cruise fare. Picture yourself hopping from one restaurant to the next, sampling a little bit of everything and enjoying the freedom of unlimited choices. With 20 different eateries on board, there were so many options that we couldn't even try them all. Start your day with a huge breakfast at Windjammer, the ship's largest buffet, serving flavors from all around the world. Then go for a healthy Mediterranean lunch at Solarium Bistro. Think grilled salmon, lamb shank, and baklava for dessert. For some afternoon tea, Cafe at 270 has some sandwiches and wraps ready for grabs. And by dinner time, why not dress up a little? The main dining rooms offer elegant multi-course meals with that fancy dinner setup. I just love how we can enjoy a classy white tablecloth dinner without worrying about the bill. We ordered their steak, fish, lasagna, and of course, that famous royal chocolate cake, all for free. And seriously, everything was so good. Even if you've got some late night cravings, Sorrento's Pizza Parlor is still open after midnight, so you can grab a slice or 3 to eat at the restaurant or take up to your room for a movie night. Dining on the ship isn't just about the food, it's the whole experience, keeping you fueled for all the fun ahead. And don't worry about going back for seconds, because cruise calories don't count. Number 11. Surf on deck. Okay, so who says you can't surf on a cruise ship? The Flowrider Surf Simulator lets you catch waves right on deck, with the actual ocean as your backdrop. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or just here for the laughs, it's pure fun from start to finish. You can try boogie boarding, kneeling, or going all in with stand-up surfing. Even if you wipe out, you'll wipe out in style. Honestly, I never thought I'd actually last this long, considering I can barely even catch a real wave. But I guess my wakeboarding skills came in handy. Even if you're a complete newbie, a friendly instructor will guide you through the basics so everyone can give it a shot. All guests on the ship can try it for free. Just line up, grab a board, channel your inner surfer, and ride the waves. And don't be shy about falling over and over and over again. With everyone cheering you on, it's definitely a core memory. Number 10. Catch a live Broadway show. When the sun goes down, the spotlight turns on, and the ship comes alive with world-class performances. We headed to the Royal Theatre to watch Live, Love, Legs, which is a Broadway-style production packed with powerful vocals, stunning choreography, and plenty of sparkle. I didn't even know a cruise ship could actually fit a theater this massive. It looks so grand and super classic inside. We also headed over to 270, which is a cool multi-level lounge that gives you 270-degree ocean views during the day, but transforms into a futuristic stage at night. We watched Spectra's Cabaret, which was a total visual spectacle. Amazing singers, crazy projection screens, and electrifying music. From classic Broadway energy to high-tech immersive shows, the entertainment on board was pure magic. And honestly, it's the perfect way to end every night. Plus, the production and stage lights looked so professional, it makes you forget you're actually in the middle of the sea. Number 9. Unleash your inner kid at the Seaplex. Welcome to the world's largest indoor activity space at sea. You've got your bumper cars, where yes, you're absolutely allowed to crash into people. Archery for that perfect bullseye moment, or at least attempting to. Ping pong and foosball matches with your buddies, and even roller skating around the rink. There's also a retro arcade room and a separate Xbox room if you're in a gaming mood. Basically, if you just want to have fun, let loose, and not think too much, this is the place to go. We definitely took bumper cars way too seriously, and Eileen's roller skating attempts were hilarious. Everyone here is just having a great time, from kids to adults to even the seniors. It really felt like a floating playground for all ages. Number 8. Get physical. If you had a little too much to eat and feel like shedding off those buffet calories, you can also join some sports matches at the Seaplex. From basketball to dodgeball and pickleball to badminton. Challenge your friends, your family, or even some new cruise buddies and turn it into a friendly competition. Plus, the ships also got this massive fully equipped gym and an outdoor running track on deck. There's also yoga and spinning classes with instructors, which makes working out even way more fun. And just look at these ocean views from the gym. You'll actually want to exercise, just so you can earn that extra slice of pizza downstairs. Number 7. Poolside Paradise. This is where pure relaxation meets those panoramic ocean views. The pool decks on board are basically the heart of every lazy sea day. Think whirlpool jacuzzis, comfy lounge beds, free ice cream on deck, and even water slides for the kids. There are actually a couple of pools to choose from, including a kiddie pool, an outdoor pool, an indoor pool, but our favorite was definitely the solarium. It's the adults-only pool area, and it was drop-dead gorgeous, with floor-to-ceiling views of the open sea. Float between the different pool layers, sip a drink from your lounge bed, or melt into the whirlpool while staring out at the horizon. If there's one place that captures the ultimate cruise vibe, this is it. Number 6. Rock climbing with a view. It's time to take your cruise adventure to new heights. Literally. The rock climbing wall reaches about 40 feet above deck, so you're not just climbing. You're climbing with a full-on ocean view right behind you. Strap into your harness, lace up your shoes, and feel that adrenaline kick in as you go higher and higher. And when you finally ring that bell at the very top, you'll totally feel that proud I did that moment. And even though Aileen barely made it halfway, it's the effort that counts. Number 5. Bar hopping at sea. Cheers to endless happy hour. If you upgrade to the deluxe beverage package, you can enjoy free-flowing alcoholic drinks all day long. We started the night at the North Star Bar, which is the perfect place to enjoy a drink with that sunset view. And we got lucky because tonight, the sky turned bright pink. Then shake things up at the Bionic Bar, where mixology meets technology. Meet your bartenders for the night. 2 robots ready to mix, shake, and pour your custom drink with futuristic precision. Just pick your cocktail through the tablet. There are endless combinations to choose from. Then watch the robots craft your drink right before your eyes. Tap your SeaPass on the table and your cocktail is served right into your hand. Just know that everything is perfectly measured down to the exact milliliter, which means that every drink is the perfect cocktail. Number 4. Have a movie night under the stars. Find a cozy spot on the pool deck and settle in for a movie beneath the open night sky. With a massive 220 square foot screen and twinkling stars right above you, it feels like your own private open-air cinema. There's a new movie every night, so just check the schedule on the Royal app and pick something you love. I highly recommend pairing it with some snacks from the buffet and a drink from the pool bar to complete the vibe. Then just sit back, relax, and enjoy the film. It's a simple moment that somehow turns an ordinary movie night into a magical evening. Number 3. Dance the night away. Nights on board are all about music, dancing, and good vibes. There are a couple of night lounges and nightclubs to explore. So we started with their silent disco, where you can grab a pair of headphones, switch between music channels, and suddenly, everyone's vibing to their own beat. It's quirky, it feels a little awkward at first, but it's hilarious and surprisingly addictive. But the real party kicks off at the music hall right after midnight. It's a nightclub with awesome DJs, live bands, and plenty of cozy spots to chill with a drink in hand. Every night becomes the perfect excuse to dance like no one's watching, even though everyone totally is. But honestly, the energy here is contagious. You just can't help but join in. Number 2. Have a workation at sea. Who says you can't mix work and play? With fast Wi-Fi and plenty of cozy work spots to set up your laptop, this cruise is a dream for digital nomads and professionals who don't want to pause their responsibilities while they explore the world. Answer emails with an ocean view, edit videos from your balcony, or take calls from the sunny deck. Then when you're done, close your laptop and dive straight into vacation mode. Royal Caribbean makes working from the waves feel effortless and seriously aesthetic. I just love how we can personally stay productive, hit our vlog deadlines, tick off our to-do lists, and still hop between countries. No time wasted. And number 1, ride the North Star. This is a glass observation capsule that lifts you over 300 feet above sea level, offering jaw-dropping 360-degree views of the ocean. It even holds a Guinness World Record as the tallest viewing deck on a cruise ship. The moment you step inside, you'll slowly rise above the deck as the world opens up below you, revealing just how massive the ship actually is. The endless blue waves in every corner, and that surreal feeling of floating high above the sea. So make sure to take lots of pictures. It's like getting a drone shot without the drone. All cruise guests get a free ride, so don't forget to reserve your slot in advance. Guys, no lie, the Ovation of the Seas had the perfect mix of everything. Endless amenities, super cool activities, cozy hangout spots, world-class entertainment, and food that just never seems to end. It really struck the perfect balance between adventure and relaxation. I say this with all my heart. I'd totally recommend this cruise to anyone. Whether you're a senior looking to unwind, a parent planning the ultimate family getaway, or a busy adult craving a well-deserved staycation, this cruise truly has something for everyone. And the best part? It's all inclusive. One fare covers almost everything. So all that's left for you to do is relax, explore, and make memories with the people you love. Rates start at $350 per person for an interior stateroom, but our ocean view stateroom with large balcony costs $502 per person. And while most people might think cruises are expensive, trust us, with all the experiences, all the amenities, all the food, plus the country hopping, you get way more than what you pay for. Just a quick heads up, the Ovation of the Seas will only be sailing from Singapore until March 2026. So if this cruise has been on your bucket list, now is definitely the time to go for it. But it's not just this ship. Royal Caribbean sails to over 300 destinations across 80 countries on all 7 continents. And after our experience, it's no surprise why they've been voted the best cruise line for 22 years in a row. It was the ultimate vacation experience. Make sure to send this video to your family, friends, or anyone you want to take on board with you. Thank you guys for watching, and we can't wait to take you on our next adventure. This is Angelica and Aileen Wanders. Never stop wondering.